Southern Thailand, right? So the
Hello mga ka-fam, welcome back to our channel. We are on day 2. As we approach Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn, it didn't feel like just another stop on my Bangkok itinerary. Approaching the main entrance of Wat Arun, we walk under an elaborately carved gate guarded by 2 towering yakshas. Fierce, mythical giants with bulging eyes and colorful armor. Up close, Wat Arun was even more magnificent than I have imagined. There were souvenir stalls around, their tables laid with little Buddha statues, handcrafted elephant trinkets, and parasols in every pastel shade imaginable. Malinis ang paligid, pati ang CR nila kakaiba, pati yung door, paswing siya na kinuhanan ko din kasi nagandahan ako. It wasn't painted gold like some other Thai temples. It was mostly white, yes, but encrusted with a mosaic of broken porcelain, old Chinese ceramic plates, and colored glass. Step by careful step, I climbed, and with each meter, the view behind me grew more breathtaking. Below, the temple grounds began to shrink, the tourists becoming smaller and smaller like ants in motion. The Chao Phraya River came into full of view, long and winding, shimmering beneath the sun, dotted with boats slicing through the water. After taking in the view, I slowly made my way back down carefully, sideways like a crab, and finally stepped back onto the base platform. My legs were trembling a bit, not from fear but from awe. Before leaving, I walked a little more around the temple grounds, admiring the manicured gardens, tiny pagodas and shaded benches where monks sat reading quietly. Wat Arun to me wasn't just a place to take photos or check off a list. It was a climb through layers of beauty, history, and culture. From the glinting ceramics to the steep stairs, from the riverside view to the kind smiles of tourists dressed in traditional silk. And as I boarded the boat to head back across the river, I found myself turning again to look one last time at the Temple of Dawn, glowing softly as if it knew I'd return someday. Wow, sana may someday pa, where I can go back to this place, but this time with my husband. Good, wow. Po.
yes.
Alam na alam nila ni Philippine. Dito na. Dapat dito na si. Alangan mo bumalik pa tayo. Wow. Wow.
Picture natin lahat.
Gusto ni Hana to. Gusto ni Hana to.
O, diba?
Hmm?
Yung experience. Nabuo yung half day.
Oh, diba?
Ganun pala ang mall dito.
Let's try their sticky rice here in Taiwan. In Thailand, sorry.
Na-experience nyo yung ano? Ay, sa baba ng mall.
Yeah, sa ground. Yan, tingnan natin. Naririnig ko lang to eh.
Yeah, Starbucks tayo.
Tingnan natin. Ha?
May Starbucks tayo. Pinasok lang natin.
Hindi, uminom naman tayo. Grabe ka.
Nilam lang kami. At pati ko kakainin mo, bulaklak ng orchid?
Nilagay nila eh. Ibig sabihin makakain.
Hmm?
Ewan ko. Sige nga. Go. Tikman natin. Lani, di ka.
Sarap ko talaga kayo mangga.
What do you think?
Yun na yung mangga.
Okay din.
Saan tayo kakain dun sa...
Hindi siya right. Ano siya, malagkit. Sarap.
Ano yung mangga?
Masarap daw.
Sarap nga.
Lani. Marami pa po kami napuntahang kainan pero di ko na video. Anyway, that ends our second day and see you again for our third day na ang adventure naman namin ay talagang sinadya namin itong Pattaya and other tourist destinations dito sa Bangkok. Bye! Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you!